Hi everyone, I hope everybody is doing well. So today I want to talk about the fact that we have mean voice in our heads and we shouldn't follow it. We can be very critical, very mean. And when I say we, it's not actually us. It's a voice we all have in us. And this voice, every time you're trying to do something that you like, this voice is discouraging you, telling you that, oh, you know what, you're not supposed to do it, you're not good enough, leave that to somebody else, this is not your thing, please stop, things like that we hear. I remember that I used to hear it when I was younger, but for me, I thought it was me. And I thought I couldn't do anything to stop it, so I took it as mine. And then when I grew up and I did some research, I realized that this voice is actually not mine. It's the mind's voice, the mind that is trying to sabotage everything you're doing to keep you safe, stuck somewhere, under the cover in your bed, doing nothing. That's what he's trying to do. So every time you want to start something meaningful, you will hear that voice. So I'm here to tell you to just not follow it. It's not easy because you can hear it every day, every minute, every second. Everything you do, you can hear that voice, and it's very discouraging. But if you don't have the tools to separate yourself from that voice, you really can't believe that it's like a message from somewhere telling you, oh, this is a bad idea. You have had for a very long time the same dream, like for example open restaurants, but because you have a family, you have children under the age of 5, this voice is telling you, oh, if you're trying to do this restaurant, who's gonna take care of your family, who's gonna take care of your children, if you try it and it doesn't work, so you're gonna lose a lot of money and you're gonna end up sleeping on the streets with your children. So when you hear something like that and you're not sure if your idea is actually going to work, you're gonna stop for sure. Let's say most people are going to stop, me included, when I didn't know. And yeah, so today just try to remember this every time you hear that voice, or everything you do sucks. Just try to remember that this is not you. This is something that is trying to keep you safe. Some people talk about the ego voice, like the mean voice, I don't know, the devil or something, trying to keep you from reaching your goals. And some people talk about this laser brain that is telling you you shouldn't do this, you shouldn't do that, just because it wants you to stay home and safe. So depends on what you believe, whatever. Just remember that this is either one of this voice that is trying to stop you. One of the ways that I've been able to move forward and leave that voice behind, even if it tries to come back all the time, is self-forgiveness and compassion for myself. Before, I used to want to do perfectly the first time. And then when doing my research, I saw that many people that are very professional in what they do, that are excellent in their job, they have started just like me. Day one, they didn't know how to do things. So they just continue even when it sucked. And they just cling to their dream. And now, 20 years later, they are where they feel satisfied with their job, with the work they do. So that's what I'm seeking now. I know that it's not going to be perfect, it's not going to be excellent the first time, but I need to start and to continue to work and improve my work and getting better over time. So that's the only way for me to reach the place where I want to be. If I give up too soon, it's not gonna work for sure. Don't listen to that voice. That's all I can say. do your best to encourage yourself, to do positive self-talk, because it really helps when you feel down. Do what can help you to feel better, and I believe that a community is very important for that. When you have people around you who see things that you don't see, who see how great you are. When you feel down, when you feel that, oh, I want to do this thing and it's really important, but I'm so afraid, I have so many doubts. Those people are going to tell you, you are excellent at what you do, you are great, you are this, you are that, so continue. And that will give you the energy and the courage to continue. So reach to community, reach to people you trust. Don't talk to people who cannot be here to encourage you. People who try to put you down, unfortunately, that exist. Haters are everywhere, like they say. So just try to identify those people who are here for you and want to help you. And yeah, just talk to them, and they will be priceless to your journey. In the meantime, please subscribe to my channel and leave me a comment if you want to share your journey, or if you want to share an important information or to give some tips. I'm here to read and to respond in case you need some piece of advice or something like that. So please subscribe and like and share with your friends if you find it useful. And I will see you the next time. Bye.